So this is a serious question. These folks done lied to my face. I knew y'all was setting me up. Hey y'all, hey. You see it, I know you see it. We doing a wig today, and it's a braid wig, and I'm gonna tell you something, it's blonde too.
Dog did this.
Why sometimes these wigs, the follow through of the wig, the braids are nice. Y'all don't learn the roots? Do y'all learn the roots when you learn how to braid? So this is a serious question. Do they teach y'all the roots? Or no, y'all don't even do that part. But I got a wig today. In theory and on the picture, it looks cute. I'm gonna show you. Oh. Jaleeza is pretty popular on Amazon. Oh man, 24-inch 360 knotless box braided wig that I can't open. Oh, they give you a look. Oh, not with gifts. You don't have to swap your wig. It's nice. Period. Honey, not them coming harder than the more well-known vendor. Hang your wig right up in the closet. Stop playing with Jaleeza. Now they gonna get blessed for that. And who named the company Jaleeza? Y'all ain't slick either. I want us to have confidence that these braids about to be good. Jaleeza got their own wig caps too, honey. Yo, who is Jaleeza? Have I ever tried a Jaleeza wig? They put a little Christmas card in here, okay? We y'all throw a couple dollars in here? Oh, okay, no. The return packing slip. I know that's right. Care, warm tips. Thank you for this, Jaleeza. Now, don't be out here trying to set folk up, getting us hype about that package, and then once we open this up, and I got 1B27613. Still trying out these blonde options. Smells like factory. It doesn't smell like the worst factory smell I've ever smelled, but it does smell like y'all sit your wigs off in the factory. That's fine, I guess. Honey, baby, you gonna have to dip. Look at these ends. Baby, these ends so ragged, they going every which way. 50 away from Sunday. Look. The braids look nice, and this is light. Twist HD, full lace, pre-cut, okay. Lazy girl friendly. Let's not ignore the people. Cause Sister Rita, who is a verified customer on Amazon, has something to say about this wig. Sister Rita put us on game. Rita said that the ends are frail. And Sister Rita, you was on to something. These ends are lost and turned out. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna use my flat iron technique. But she also said it's a great wig, good lace, and it looks natural. Baby, why y'all do all this good work up here just to... I knew y'all was setting me up with all these good gifts. Basically, she cute, but she a little fragile. Mobile, fragile, hostile. This is a nice little lightweight. You see that? Oh, Jaleeza, you coming with features. Well, why you ain't feature some stronger ends? If this translates on my head like it's translating just the way it looks, honey, we gonna have a problem. Honey. Oh, the knot is at the bottom. I was gonna say these folks done lied to my face. If this wig installs easy and lays right, I feel like it's gonna eat. I feel like it's gonna eat. But if these ends do me wrong, like Sister Rita prophesied, I'm gonna be so upset. I would say dip it because these are very frail and just lost and turned out. Good looking out, Rita. I appreciate you, Rita. These little Barbie doll ends. We are human. Let's see what this wig about it. Oh, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. You know I'm not gonna dish you on the internet. Cause my mama taught me better than child. Jaleeza, I'm not gonna dish you on the internet, honey, even if it turn out regular. Cause my mama taught me better than that. But I'm gonna show tell the folk. Now, y'all, I don't even feel like getting up. Let me throw this wig on real quick.